classes and functions, and something known as the single responsibility pattern, or the single responsibility principle. So for example, we can look at this function here called process orders. Now it's not super long, but we can see immediately that it's doing a lot of stuff. I can't just really quickly skim it and fully understand what's happening here, and it would be better if we could split this code up into multiple different parts where I can understand it more easily. So all I've done in this fixed version of the code is I've simply created a few small functions that are just the different operations that we were performing in that larger piece of code. So now if I were to go to my process orders function here, you can see that I can read this for loop, and because I've split things into functions, I can just read the function names and understand what this function is doing. So it says for orders in order. If the order is not fulfillable, okay, then of course I'm going to continue. Otherwise, I'm going to update the inventory, generate the receipt, add that to some list, print out some processing string, and then return the receipts. So immediately here in like 5 seconds, I was able to understand what this function is doing. And if I care about the implementation of any of these functions, I can go and I can read them. And because they're small and they're focused, I can understand what they're doing quite quickly. I can test this code more easily, and I can fix something or change something in the area in which it actually happens.